Your website gets traffic, but how many of those visitors turn into actual leads? In this video, we'll show you how to build a smart AI agent for your website that talks to visitors, answers their questions, and captures qualified leads using Whatnot. For this video, let's assume we're building the AI agent for a social media agency called Socially. So let's dive right in. Let's start by creating a bot. Since we want this AI agent to work on our website, we'll select Web as the channel. And that brings us to the canvas. This is where we'll design our AI agent's flow. Think of this as the workspace where we'll connect all the blocks, the brain, the logic, and the flow. Now, let's add an agent block to the flow. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as your chatbot's brain, powered by large language models, similar to what runs ChatGPT. It can understand context, answer complex questions, and chat just like a human. Let's now choose Create AI Agent and rename it to Sales Agent. To give this brain its personality and purpose, we need to write a prompt. Basically, you're telling the AI who it is, what its goal is, and how it should behave. Whatnot has a feature to automatically generate a prompt for you. So, let's ask it to create a prompt by saying, create a world-class prompt for an AI agent designed for Socially, a social media agency. The agent should handle frequently asked questions and offer users a good experience. In a few seconds, it has created a prompt that perfectly aligns with what we need. Great! So far, with just the prompt, the AI agent keeps answering queries in a loop. But when someone shows interest, we want it to exit that loop and capture the lead. That's where paths come in. So, let's create a path called Interested Leads. Let's now explain to the AI when it should take this path by saying when the user shows interest in exploring our services or wants to book a meeting. Lastly, let's collect some information from the user, like their name, email, service they're interested in when exiting this path. So, if someone says, I'm interested, the bot will ask for their details. For our AI model, let's choose GPT-4o for its speed and accuracy. Now, to make the AI agent even smarter, let's train it with information about Socially, like what they do, where they're based, and the services they offer. We'll turn on the knowledge base and create one. Ideally, you should add your website as a data source so that the knowledge base is always up to date with your website info. But for this demo, we're uploading a PDF document that contains all relevant info about Socially's services. Once added, the AI agent will refer only that data to generate its responses, avoiding hallucinations. Next, let's notify our sales team when we get a new lead. Whatnot supports CRM integrations, but for this video, let's keep it simple and send an email notification. Let's put our email details where we want to receive the emails. Turn the chat transcript button on to receive the conversation summary. Next, let's end the flow politely. We'll add a simple send a message block saying, thanks for your interest. Our sales team will be with you shortly. Now let's quickly test the bot to see if everything's working as expected. We'll quickly ask a few questions. As you can see, it handles them just the way we intended. Now that everything's working, let's make it live. Click Deploy to publish this version. Then, go to Settings and then Web Channel where you can customize how your AI agent looks, like the bot name, colors, and avatar. Once you're happy with that, go to the Installation tab. Copy the code snippet and paste it into your website's HTML. And just like that, your AI sales agent is live. And that's how you build a powerful, no-code AI sales agent for your website using Whatnot. Ready to turn your website traffic into real leads? Try Whatnot for free or book a demo with our team. The link is in the description.